Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. This Nimian Legends Bright Ridge. But I don't know what is this game about, but I randomly bought it and I just I just install it. It's pretty cheap. So yeah, I hope you, without further ado, let's play this game. Okay, use gamepad. Yeah, love and TN. Witness a momentous moment in the history of Bright Ridge. Okay. By the way, I'm using a controller. 8-bit though. Wait. Okay. And you heard some clicks like that. Well, it's my controller. Excuse me. Follow this symbol to advance the story. No, cutscene. Okay. Love and Tin. I'll never forget that day. The air was crisp, the sun was shining. Okay. Oh. Oh, okay. I was still avoidance, staying at Bright Ridge Hill. Wait, what? Where? Oh, okay. Okay. I don't know this game yet, so first time for me. The towers arrived from the skies generations ago. Okay. To this day, no one knows where they came from. Alright. Oh my god. My companion, I think. The seasons were changing and new guests were rare. Alright. Winter was coming and there was work to do. Oh, okay. Push. Patarapsis and I barely sold a drink. Okay. My bones say a hard winter's coming. Best get prepared. Okay. Okay. Hard to believe another season is over when you're older. Random. Time will move ever quicker. Well, gonna agree with that. Okay. Okay, another one. Wow. Timber looks happy. Can you put the night lamps out? Okay. Where is that? You're such a great help. Okay, thank you. Thank you for that. Okay. Okay. Wait. Am I going outside here? Oh, okay. Okay, night in order. It's time to sleep on Rando. We have a big week ahead of us. Okay. And with that, I went to bed. Oh, wait. Oh, okay. But I couldn't sleep. Oh, wait. I will drink some water first. Okay. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Ano? What? Bright Ridge Inn. Okay. Mm. What were they? I don't know. They look like the spirits my uncle spoke of. Okay. Okay, Dogi, let's go, let's go. I followed them into the night. They look like golden webs in the night. Wait, where's my dog? Where's my companion? Wait, what? Cruise Gate Falls. Okay. Okay. Oh, I don't. The winter's getting bad. Okay, where's my dog? Oh, I'm getting tired again. The sun was shining. Had I passed out? Hmm. It was Bright Ridge but different. Oh, I think he teleported on something. That timber was gone. I thought he ran off. Oh dear, this is a forested area more than everything. I began to realize there were no lamps, no fences. Yep, maybe a time problem. Then my heart sunk. Bright Ridge Inn was not here. I was not there. Yeah, there are no Bright Ridge Inn here. I realized I was alone. Okay. The cold night came quickly. Okay. Hmm. Then I saw it. Hmm. It was something, anything to break the silence. It was something. Oh yeah. Anything to break the silence. Okay. A meteorite. I something. It was some sort of machine. It looks like it was damaged. It was moving towards a stage platform. I noticed one of the lights was missing. Okay. Oh, this was the light. And then it was gone, and I was alone again. Well then, I was freezing and had to find shelter. I ran towards the bridge that cover underneath. But I cover beneath it, I would have frozen to death. Oh dear. I guess this was the history of it in the beginning. I hope this is the ending of the first chapter. Ow. Okay, the alien thingy. The alien thingy is looking at me. Okay. I think he is warming him up or something. I awoke. I awoke refreshed. Alright. But my new friend seem agitated. Okay. Then I saw why. So, wow man, I skipped the dialogue. Well then. Oh. Oh wait, run. Oh. Oh god dang it. Ah man. Please no. Okay, another one. Okay, yun. There you go. Okay, another one. Okay. You wait. Oh no. Okay, this is the last one. Okay, nice. Okay, died. It was too dangerous to stay here. This was still bright ridge and I knew which berries and mushrooms to eat. Okay. So, as for my new friend, I called him Bot. Okay. I think this is just a narrative game. He seemed very curious and very friendly. And spoilers. So, if you are going to watch this, if you don't mind spoilers, you can continue watch it, and then if you don't want spoilers to experience this game, stop watching, click off the video. Okay, suddenly both took off agitated. Okay, another one. Oh, wait, what? Here, right? What? Oh, had something spoke me. I followed as quickly as I could. Bot led me to another strange platform. I was determined to help Bot with more energy. Alright. Oh, okay. Don't you worry. Where are the... Oh! Oh, ow, 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 ow. Okay, the camera is not cooperating with me. Oh, okay. Nice. Help me. Okay. Oh, oh, oh. Almost. Okay, nice. Almost got hit there. Okay. Oh, okay. Nice. Let's it for now. And give him power. Oh my god. Nice. The energy had unlocked his power. What else could he do? I kept following him. Okay, another enemy, I think. Bot syndrome to a lonely tower meta. Okay, this guy. Bot's weapon seem to follow me. Okay. Okay. Finish. Okay. We've activated something. Ooh. Hmm. Okay. Oh, okay. Another power. Well then, I grab an energy cell. Okay. Oh. Okay. I never thought this is kind of the game I want. Not I want. Like I want to relax a bit, I think. Something like that. Oh no. Bot sim. So something giant. Oh dear. Oh no, bot. You're coming with them. Wait, come. You're going to get sucked. Nice. Don't you worry. Okay, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. And let's go ahead and hurry up. Oh no. Oh no, you don't. Oh. Oh my god. Okay, come on. Come on, come on, come on. Hurry up, hurry up. Nice. It's there. Oh, 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 oh. There you go. Fight him, bot. Nice. Mm-hmm. Oh, nice. Okay. Alright. Well, that's gonna be it. Right. This thing. Oh, I teleported. Okay. But where to is the question. Okay, for now, let go of the controller. Oh no, I didn't get teleported. And then the sky parted. and the tower descended from above. This was the day the tower arrived. I was a boy out of time. Okay, let's go. Oh no. Okay. This was goodbye. End of the word story. Oh no. He was going to get teleported. Okay. Was getting teleported, but where now? Oh, he came back. Alright. Right then, he came back where he belongs. I could feel it in the air. I was home. Oh, oops. Wrong way. Then, it was the end. That timeline was the alternate one. The end of the world. I never thought it would seem like that. Okay, where to go now? I ran back to the 8 thinking about what had happened in my head. Oh, Mr. Doggy, you're... I mean Rando. Rando. I wanted to tell Emily what I'd seen. Rando, I think. If I'm correct. Rando was the kid. Would she believe me? Did I believe it myself? Hello there, Doggy Doggy. You're too cute of the dog. I knew it. I knew in my heart that was real. Okay. This is the where somehow the spirits had brought me to the past. Oh, so there's an ancient advanced civilization. Okay, perhaps it was meant to be. Okay, this is the inn. Alright then. The next day I told Emily about my adventure. Oh, excuse me. I had an adventure like that once too, Rando, when I was a little girl. No one knows why some things happen. Okay. The inn owner. Oh, okay. So which means he experienced it as well. right then. Sometimes we don't know why some things happen. Of course, the one I will agree. Oh, hello there, doggy. Why some people come into our lives? Or why they leave it? I think about my friends still. Oh, doggy, doggy, don't come there. Had he survived? Did he have adventures? Okay, hello there, doggy. Or where did life take him? Okay. Thank you for visiting. I'm a solo developer who makes games from my heart. If you enjoy your stay and would like to see more games, you can offer your supports by leaving a review or rating for this version of Bright Ridge. Brom. Oh my god. Okay. This is the end of the part 1. So, I hope you enjoyed this, everybody. And bye bye. Thank you for watching. Give it a like or dislike and follow my channel more for more of this kind of video. And bye bye, everybody.
Those heroes of antiquity ne'er saw a cannonball, or knew the force of powder to slay their foes withal. But our brave boys do know